Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm cooking adobo. Here it's a Filipino dish. It's a pork. I have cut up pork here in a pot, and I have to add about 4 cloves of garlic. 4 cloves of garlic and about 4 teaspoons of salt. And 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And half a cup of vinegar, and 2 cups of water. And I have to simmer it until the meat is tender. Now the meat is tender. I have to separate. I have to drain the meat from the juice. Now I will add 1 tablespoon of oil. And put the meat in a pan. Just fried until a little brown. Now I will add the broth. Now it's brown. The broth from the meat. And leave it simmer for 5 more minutes. And now my adobo is ready. Thank you guys for watching my video. You have a nice day. Bye-bye.